recording our session. Math, super scary order of operations, problems, take 1. If you have a piece of paper, please grab one. Grab a pencil, grab a pen, all that jazz. This is not the scary one. This is one that you saw earlier in the week. I'm putting this right on top because I just am reminding us of the PEMDAS, and I am going to keep the same colors going. So parentheses is blue. All right. And we have exponents are green. And where's my green? There's a green. And yellow is my multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction are purple. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so when I saw this problem, I'm like, are they joking? They're joking. They have to be joking. But no, they're not. So this is 12. And when I'm done writing this, can somebody let me know if you actually had a problem like this on your homework, or if it was just the textbook that put one of these in there? So it's 12. We're going to times that by 4 plus 2 squared over 4. Why not? Close parentheses, minus 7. Okay, real quick, let's just look at that beast. Did you get parentheses within parentheses in your homework?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, we did.
Did anybody freak out?
Yes.
Sweet. Okay, good.
Come on, Dylan.
Well, not good, but
Those are easy.
easy. No, you quiet you.
It just looks scary.
You know, it does. It looks scary. It looks, my 8th grader's like, Mom, what's this? Because his math had some Latin in it. And I'm like, it's fine. It just means this.
No.
The big fancy F just means function. It's okay. So we have to do our parentheses. I see 2 sets. Hey guys. So, so my parentheses, I have to take care of first. Now I have parentheses within parentheses. So I have a whole nother set of PEMDAS that I have to take care of before I can look at the greater set of PEMDAS, right? So looking at this bad boy, I have 4 plus 2 to the and it's taken to the 2nd power, it's squared. I have to do this first. I cannot do this. Mrs. Kirby, E is for addition. Yes, but inside this parentheses, nothing else exists. It's like meeting your true love. Oh, I only have eyes for you. So I have to do this. They don't even know that 2's out there. It's hidden by the parentheses. They don't even know. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Then I'm going to square that sucker. Then I'm going to divide it by 4. Because a fraction is just a division problem. I know, Mrs. Kirby, this is so cake. Actually, I'm a little scared still. That's all right. Deep breath. So 6 squared divided by 4. So I'm going to take my squared. 6 squared is 36. That's 6 times 6. 36 divided by 4, I can divide that, is 9. So now I have 9, because I'm going to divide by 4. 9. And I'm trying to find my pencil. They all look the same. Minus 7. Am I done?
No.
Gavin's like, I am not entertained. This is not. No. You're right, because I have 12 times 9 minus 7. I can't subtract 7 from 9 because 9 only has eyes for 12. Okay, so this, I think I sound amazing. So this multiplication needs to happen before that subtraction can happen.
Mm-hmm.
You know that. I know that. Let's make this happen. 9 times 12 is...
So, Miss,
Hold on. 108.
Question.
108.
Thank you. 108. Yes, Lily.
I'm confused on squared and cubed. Is it basically the same as doing just like, so 2 squared, is it like just 2 times 2?
That's a great question. So I'm going to do a little side note here. Can you see that okay? Okay. So 2 squared. So this 2, the green 2, that's my base.
Yep.
And the base is the number that gets repeated through the multiplication process.
Yeah, and I know exponents, yeah.
Yes. So if I have 2 cubed, yes, you may. 2 is still my base, so this is going to be 2 times. This one's going to be 2 3 times.
Okay,
So
so it's
two-
basically the same as exponents, it just is a different name.
Yes, power. Yes, yes.
Okay.
If you take something to a power.
Yeah.
Very good. Cool. All right. Little side note.
Just wanted to get that out of the way because I was confused on
Yeah,
what.
no, I appreciate that. Now is the time. My coffee's in the way. We're going to move that up there. All right, 108 minus 7 is 101. And then that brings me so much joy inside. Again, I know that some of you are like, I don't have to write out my work. It really does help. I'm not saying it has to be color coordinated like mine. However, it does make math look beautiful. Taking the time to do this is going to instill good practice. So all I can do is encourage you. Are ready? You ready for one more scary one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then I'm gonna give it to you and you solve it. When you have it, put it in the chat section.
Okay.
Gavin's like, oh, okay, lady, I see you. We have 320 divided by parentheses. Oops, wrong way. A fraction, which is 11 minus 9 squared over 2, and parentheses, times 8. All right. So if you feel confident in doing this, you can turn your volume down. I'm going to start working through it. When you finish, put your answer in the chat, and then we can do that.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Steady. Go. So I'm going to keep teaching for those of us who are like, I don't know, this is insane, which that's a good place to be because you're here. So again, parentheses is what we tackle first. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, subtraction. Inside the parentheses, we have this 11 minus 9 squared over 2. And I can say that 11 minus 9 to the second power, and then that's going to be divided by 2. So 11 minus 9, I only have as for you, and we're going to subtract 11 and 9, and we're going to get 2 to the second power. 2 to the second power is 4, right? So I'm going to rewrite this 4 divided by 2, put that in parentheses, times 8 divided by 320. All right, now inside that parentheses, it's still in there. So I still have to take care of this. Parentheses is blue, my apologies. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I'm gonna take 320 divided by my newfound value. Isn't that crazy? 11 minus 9 squared divided by 2 is 2. Look at all that big brain work we did there.
I know, right? And
Fantastic.
I've got the answer.
Okay, I said post it. I didn't say shout it out.
I did.
I appreciate you. All right, and now once I have, I'm in one of my families, either a multiplication division family or addition subtraction, I go left to right. So 320 divided by 2 is 150 plus 10, so it's 160 times 8. That's 800, 240. And we got some different answers here. Whoa, hold on. Ah, what happened? Can you guys still see my page?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't see my page anymore.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take 160 times 8. I'm going to get 0. I'm going to get 8 plus a 4, 8, 12. So I got 12,000, sorry, not 12,000, 1,280. Notice there's no equal signs because this is an expression. Whoa.
It's Kirby.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I got, oh, I times it by 80.
You know, so you had just an extra 0.
Yeah.
Cool, no worries. Did you do most of it in your head?
No.
Okay, I was just gonna say, like, maybe if you wrote out your work, I'm just shouting that out. So we're gonna keep practicing problems like this, because I know you know how to add, I know you know how to multiply and divide and do exponents. But these are the types of problems we're gonna see more of, particularly if you choose to take Accelerated 7. So I talked to Ms. Takamoto, and I talked to some of the other math teachers, and Accelerated 7th Math, which would be, if you choose, I did email everyone, only as of yesterday, only 6 of you responded, but I emailed everyone a form asking what you wanted for Accelerated 7th Math or traditional math. There are different paths to academic success. If you want to take a 1.5 years of math in 1 year, it's a 1.5 years, and they smush it into 1 year, then that's something that you have available to you, but I want that to be your decision. Okay, well, let me flip that. I want you to have a voice in there. So I have some insight, and asking the teachers, they're like, can you, when you get stressed out in math, can you work through that stress? When you see a scary problem, can you, like, okay, that's freaking me out a little bit, but I'm gonna work through it and continue. There's gonna be less, not that there's less support, because your teachers are gonna be there to help you, but they're gonna give you more work and at a faster pace than the traditional 7th grade math. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check your email and send me that form. The other thing you need to do today is, you have 2 more things. Okay, I'm gonna unshare. Okay, any questions on this one before I move on? Awesome sauce. Okay. The student leadership, like the student government, they have elections coming up. So I'm gonna post the link on our science page. I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna end the meeting 5 minutes early so that you can have that time to go on there and take that for Miss Freeman. The window closes today at 5. So
Wait, the window for what?
to vote for people or yourself to be a part of student government. Like the president of Arcade Middle School. So like
Right.
elections.
Gotcha.
Okay. So we're gonna head off to science in a minute. And then you also have a Flipgrid assignment, which we haven't done flips yet. I know you did them with Miss Velasco, and I'm gonna ask you to do your quiz this week on a Flipgrid. And it's gonna be you explaining to me how to make a factor tree. And I've given you a number to use, and you're gonna find the prime factorization of this number, and you're gonna do it in a 90-second Flipgrid. I recommend doing the math first and then showing it and being like, this is this, and then I did this, and then I did the factors here, and then I did the factors here. And I gave you an example. Hi. You guys are fun.
I have a cat.
All right, 5-minute chat break, 5-minute chat break. And then we have another crazy hard problem.
Hello.
I'm petting my cat.
That's nice.
I love my cat.